Alright, this is part 2 of a rear camera lens repair for an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the difference this time is that I'll be filming from an iPhone 11 Pro Max to compare the camera quality. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get started with our tools. Here's what you need. A straight set of tweezers and bent nose tweezer. Make sure that they are aligned, and this is what I mean when it's aligned. See, when the ends touch each other. Nice and slowly. Let's check the alignment of these straight tweezers. Look at that. You can even see the texture in my gloves. That's what you need. Okay. Let's go ahead and focus on the damage on the rear camera. Focus a little bit closer in. Let's go ahead and check out one that's not cracked. Ooh, crystal clear. Here's another. Is it crystal clear? Yes, it is. This one's got little dots underneath of it. See that? Random dots. Alright, let's get started on this bad boy. Step 1. Power down. Step 2. It's time to remove the bottom 2 screws. Really get in there. Oh, hard to focus. Be steady now. Don't shake with your hands. All right, almost there. There you go. One piece out. Grab it nice and steady. There you go. Let's put it away.
Look how much I filled this. Here's how dirty this is.